How to Set Up an Instagram Business Account, Step-by-Step Guide 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Instagram business account step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Step 1. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three lines or menu in the top right. Step 2. Open Settings. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Account Type and Tools. Step 3. Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Now select Business instead of Creator. Tap Next. Step 4. Choose your category. Select a category that best fits your business, like shopping and retail, personal blog, digital creator. Then tap Done. Step 5. Add contact details. Now enter your email, phone number, business address. Optional. This helps customers reach you easily. Step 6. Connect Facebook page. Optional. You'll get an option to connect a Facebook page. You can connect existing page or skip this step. Step 7. Complete setup. Once done, your account will switch to a business account. You'll now have access to insights or analytics, ads and promotions, contact buttons. Bonus tip: use a professional profile picture and bio to make your account look more trustworthy. And that's it. Now you know how to set up an Instagram business account easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.